In 1977, a Japanese company created something that had never existed before: the world's first three-piece forged aluminum wheel. That single innovation would revolutionize motorsports and street tuning forever. This is the story of WedsSport, a brand that literally invented Japan's aftermarket wheel industry. From humble beginnings selling tools to Nissan dealerships, to championship-winning race teams and legendary street builds, WedsSport has quietly influenced car culture for over 60 years. Today, we're diving deep into how three businessmen in Osaka changed the wheel game forever, which models became icons, and why authentic WedsSport wheels command serious money in the collector market. The year is 1965. In Osaka's Nishi ward, three men, Akira Nezu, Minoru Kawasaki, and Kazuyuki Eguchi, start a company called Nippo. They're not making wheels yet. They're selling automotive tools to Nissan dealerships. But Nezu sees something bigger coming. Japan's car culture is exploding. Young enthusiasts want to modify their rides, but aftermarket parts basically don't exist. The breakthrough comes in 1969. Through a connection with Nihon Sealant, Nippo secures distribution rights for the Elstar wheel, a chrome-plated custom wheel from Chuoseki. This wasn't just any wheel deal. The Elstar becomes Japan's first aftermarket alloy wheel, offered as an upgrade to factory steel wheels. Imagine that. Before 1969, if you wanted different wheels in Japan, you were out of luck. The Elstar was a hit with young drivers. By 1973, Nippo makes a bold move. They acquire Nihon Sealant's entire wheel division and rebrand as WedsCo. LTE. The name? It stands for World Elstar Distributor System. They literally named their company after the wheel that started it all. Headquarters moves to Tokyo, and suddenly, Weds is playing on the national stage. But Weds wasn't content just distributing someone else's wheels. In 1977, they drop a bomb on the industry: the Racing Forg. This is the world's first three-piece forged aluminum wheel. Let that sink in. While everyone else is casting wheels, Weds is using a 3,000-ton press to forge the center disc, then assembling it with separate inner and outer barrels. The result? Wheels that are lighter, stronger, and completely modular. The Racing Forg came in two styles: the NG with its distinctive four-spoke star pattern, and the F with a classic dish design. Sizes were small by today's standards, 13 and 14 inches, but perfect for the race cars of the era. These wheels were so advanced that most people couldn't afford them for street use. Today, collectors literally keep unused Racing Forgs as museum pieces. A pristine set can fetch over 120,000 yen. That's nearly $1,000. In 1984, Weds gets serious about racing with the launch of WedsSport as a dedicated motorsport sub-brand. By 1985, they're competing in the All-Japan Touring Car Championship. But the real story begins in 1998 when WedsSport partners with racing project Bando for what would become a legendary partnership in Japanese motorsport. The partnership pays off big in 2009. That year, the WedsSport IS350, driven by Manabu Orido and Tatsuya Kataoka, clinches both the drivers' and team championships in Super GT's GT300 class. This wasn't some factory-backed mega team. This was a privateer operation beating manufacturer squads. The blue and white IS350 becomes an instant icon. Today, WedsSport competes in the premier GT500 class with a Toyota GR Supra. They haven't won a GT500 title yet, but after 25 years in top-level Japanese motorsport, they're still pushing. Every race is a rolling R&D lab. Technology developed for these 600-horsepower monsters eventually trickles down to the wheels you can buy for your street car. Let's talk about the wheels that made WedsSport legendary. First up, the TC105N. Launched in the early 2000s, this became the go-to wheel for serious track enthusiasts. Using Weds' AMF process, that's advanced metal forming, a 17x9 TC105N weighs just 7.5 kilograms, or 16.5 pounds. That's insanely light for a wheel this strong. The TC105N became legendary in time attack circles. The Sierra Evo F8 that dominated global time attack? WedsSport wheels. Mazda Miata track builds? TC105N. Honda S2000 Weekend Warriors? You guessed it. At around $600 to $800 per wheel new, they undercut comparable forged options while delivering similar performance. That's democratizing speed. But WedsSport isn't just about track weapons. Enter the Kranza LXZ, the crown jewel of VIP culture. This three-piece forged wheel, with its starburst, spoke pattern, and deep polished lips, became the ultimate status symbol. Picture a slammed Lexus LS400 on air suspension, rolling on 20x10+0 offset LXZs with 4-inch lips. That's VIP perfection. A new set could run $5,000, but in the VIP world, you don't count cost, you count style points. Then there's the SA55M from the 2010s, the perfect blend of style and performance. With its split 5-spoke mesh design and signature black-blue machining finish, it became the wheel of choice for Evo and STI owners who wanted something different from the usual suspects. At $500 per wheel, it proved WedsSport could deliver both form and function without breaking the bank. So how does WedsSport make wheels that racers trust with their lives? It starts with their manufacturing philosophy. While cheaper brands just pour aluminum into molds, WedsSport uses multiple techniques. Their AMF process combines casting with flow forming. Basically, they cast the center, then spin and compress the barrel with massive rollers. This creates a grain structure similar to forging at a fraction of the cost. For their top-tier wheels like the TC105X, it's full forging all the way. We're talking about 6261 T6 aluminum billets machined with precision that would make a Swiss watchmaker jealous. Every wheel undergoes X-ray inspection for hidden flaws, impact testing, and bend testing. They even have internal standards stricter than Japan's already tough VIA requirements. That 15-inch Racing Forg reissue that got delayed. It was because it passed government standards but failed Wed's own brutal tests. Here's how to spot real WedsSport wheels from fakes. And yes, there are fakes out there. Authentic Weds wheels have JWL and VIA stamps cast into the wheel, usually on the inner barrel. Look for the Jawa certification sticker too. But here's the dead giveaway. Check the engraved logos. Weds recently warned about fake TC105X wheels where the lowercase s in Weds was just 3 lines instead of a proper curved letter. The fakes also had thicker, less sharp engraving. Details matter. Weight is another tell. Replicas are almost always heavier because they use more material to compensate for inferior alloys. A genuine 18x9.5 TC105X should weigh around 8 kilograms. If someone's selling you one that weighs 10, walk away. Real WedsSport wheels also have that signature airiness. Thin spokes with precise cutouts and undercuts that knockoffs can't replicate without compromising strength. WedsSport's influence on car culture runs deep. In Japan, they're not just a wheel brand, they're part of the establishment. Running Weds wheels in the 80s meant you were serious. Street racers, drift crews, even Bosozoku gangs, they all respected the Weds name. It was like wearing the right sneakers on the basketball court. You belonged. The influence spread globally during the import tuning boom. Suddenly, American enthusiasts wanted that authentic JDM flavor. You'd see WedsSports on everything from Canadian Subarus to German BMWs. There's even a niche trend of muscle car guys running Weds wheels. Imagine a Mustang on Maverick 20s. It's unexpected, but that's the power of a brand that transcends boundaries. Today, WedsSport continues to innovate. The new TC105X takes everything learned from decades of racing and packages it into a fully forged wheel that weighs less than most people's lunch. They're exploring new segments too: SUV wheels, EV-specific designs, even aerodynamic features for efficiency. The 2024 Racing Forg reissue proves they haven't forgotten their roots either. Using modern CNC machining and spun-forged barrels, it's the perfect blend of heritage and technology. In Super GT, the WedsSport Advan GR Supra keeps fighting in GT 500. 25 years of top-level racing, and they're still hungry for that championship. Every race provides data that makes your street wheels better. It's a commitment most brands can't match. For collectors, certain Weds wheels are pure gold. Original Racing Forgs from 1977? If you find a clean set, expect to pay $800 to $200 or more. The Albino series from 1983, especially the wild Kurage jellyfish mesh, are climbing in value. Even discontinued modern wheels like the SA70 are getting harder to find. A mint set can run $1,000 easy. If you're hunting for authentic vintage Weds, work with specialists. threepiece.us is one source that imports genuine JDM wheels, verifies authenticity, and can even rebuild vintage three-piece sets to original spec. They know the difference between real Wed stamps and fakes. When you're dropping serious money on 40-year-old wheels, that expertise matters. So what's WedsSport's legacy? It's simple. They didn't just make wheels, they created an industry. From that first Elstar in 1969 to today's cutting-edge TC105X, WedsSport has spent 60 years proving that Japanese engineering and relentless innovation can compete with anyone. They've won championships, set trends, and most importantly, they've earned the trust of enthusiasts worldwide. Whether you're building a track monster, a show-stopping VIP sedan, or restoring a classic with period-correct wheels, WedsSport has been there, done that, and probably won a championship doing it. They've survived economic crashes, fought off counterfeiters, and adapted to every trend without losing their soul. In an industry full of companies that come and go, WedsSport stands as a monument to what happens when you combine Japanese craftsmanship with an uncompromising drive to be the best. The next time you see a car rolling on WedsSports, remember, you're looking at 60 years of history, innovation, and pure automotive passion cast in aluminum. Want authentic wheels for your build? Check out threepiece.us for verified vintage and modern JDM wheels. Drop a comment with your favorite WedsSport model, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into automotive history. Until next time, keep those wheels turning.